Hello, I am Martijn and I love showing you the most beautiful places in the world. Today I'm in the south of France, in the second city of the country, Marseille.
Bienvenue à Marseille.
Let me take you on a journey through this vibrant and historic city. And I begin my adventure at the Vieux Port, or the Old Port, which is the heart of the city. This bustling harbor is filled with colorful fishing boats and luxurious yachts. Walking along the quay, you can watch fishermen selling their fresh catch every morning. The Vieux Port is also surrounded by charming cafes and restaurants, where you can enjoy a delicious meal while overlooking the sparkling water. Next is the Notre-Dame de la Garde, a stunning basilica that sits atop a hill overlooking Marseille. The iconic landmark is visible from almost anywhere in the city. The interior of the basilica is beautifully decorated. And the views from the top are absolutely breathtaking. On a clear day, you can see the entire city, the Mediterranean Sea, and even the nearby islands. After these loving views, I go to Cours Julien, a trendy neighborhood known for its vibrant street art and creative vibe. This area is full of unique boutiques, art galleries, and cozy cafes. The streets are always bustling with energy, and you will find plenty of places to relax. The oldest district in Marseille is Le Panier. This historic neighborhood is a maze of narrow, winding streets, lined with colorful houses and small shops. As you wander through Le Panier, you will discover hidden squares and, for example, beautiful murals. It is easy to lose track of time exploring the rich history and charming architecture in this area. Another significant landmark is the Porte D'Aix, a grand arch that once served as a gate to the city. It's a kind of Arc de Triomphe from Paris. And this impressive monument is beautiful lit up by night, but I'm here during the day. I decided to book a boat tour to see Marseille from the water, and when you do that you can also visit Chateau D'if. It's an historic fortress that is located on a small island just off the coast of Marseille. It is a famous place because of the Alexander Dumas novel The Count of Monte Cristo. You can take the boat from the Vieux Port and spend a few hours over there, wandering through the old prison cells and enjoying the stunning views of the sea. No trip to Marseille would be complete without experiencing the natural beauty of the Massif de Calanques, especially the stunning bay of Danvaux. The Calanques are a series of rocky inlands with crystal clear waters, perfect for hiking, swimming and enjoying the great outdoors. The hike to Danvaux offers a breathtaking scenery with towering cliffs and vibrant blue waters. Finally, we visit the Palais Longchamp, a magnificent palace surrounded by beautiful gardens and elegant fountains. This historic building houses the city's Natural History Museum and the Fine Arts Museum, making it a cultural highlight of Marseille. The gardens are peaceful to take a stroll, relax by the fountains, or enjoy a picnic on a sunny day. Marseille is a city full of culture, history and natural beauty. When you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up or leave a comment. That's the way you can help so other people can discover the video as well, and I get to create new travel guides for you in the future.